think? Who is it? Who's that? Who's that? It's Charlie! He's a little squoffer! Innit? What? I can't see, hold on. Oh, that's better. Yes. Can I do tickles? Can I do tickles for the people? Yeah, shake hands. Shake hands! He can shake hands. Actually, it's just me moving his leg up and down. But technically, he is shaking hands. Or at least paws. Or claws. Whatever. Right. Can you do any tricks for the people? Can you give us a kiss? Go on, give us a kiss. Go on. Give us a kiss. Mwah, mwah, mwah. We're working on that one. Hold on, can I do tickles under here? Oh, tickles. Tickles, tickles, tickles. Oh, he loves that. And shake hands. Shake hands. Oh, wave to the people. Wave to the people. Got anything to say? You little fella? Mwah, mwah, mwah. Mwah, 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 mwah. Yes. Okay, double tickles. What about upside down parrot? Come here, upside down parrot. Upside down parrot. Hold on. Can I get my fingers out? Just a minute. Here's a kiss. It's okay. It's okay. I gotcha. Gotcha. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Tickles. Tickles, tickles, tickles. Oh, yes. Floating downstream. Oh, it's beautiful. Yes. He's a little fella. Oh! Not in the nose. Your toes are a bit green. I'm giving you a wash tomorrow morning. He's going to have a shower. He's going to have a shower. He's going to have a shower. Oh, please. Do something with your face. That's sweet. He's a sweet little boy. He's a little squoffer. Good on you, Charlie. Good on you, Charlie. You want some yummies? We'll get you some yummies? Yeah. Is that on? Oh, look at the little fella. He's having yummy yummies, aren't you? Look, he's got a beak full of it. He's got a beak. It is full of it. Go on, have some more. Yeah. It's a paw. Yeah, don't stop. I don't have all day. Come on. Hello. Oh, he's mesmerised. Go on, have some more. Go on, get in here. Get in here! So cute, John.